Hey friends, Alexius Varro here, guiding you through the art of Stoic living. Thanks for joining me again today. So, we're going to dive into an intriguing concept from the great Stoic philosopher Marcus Aurelius that resonates deeply with our daily struggles. It's mapped out beautifully in one of his meditations, Merely Bad Dreams. Consider Aurelius's words, sober up and call out to yourself, and waking up again, realize that these were dreams tormenting you, and awake, look at it as you looked at that. What does this mean for you and me, right here, right now? The Stoics, exemplified by Aurelius, believe that many of the things that upset us are akin to the bad dreams we experience at night. They are vivid, consuming, and feel incredibly real. But when we awaken, we see those dreams for what they truly are, mere illusions. Much like our nocturnal illusions, our waking worries and fears can also be baseless and unfounded, driven by our imagination rather than reality. Let's take a look at how this plays out in everyday life. Think about those moments you felt gripped by panic, anger, or fear. In those moments, our minds often race through worst-case scenarios. We imagine all sorts of disasters that have yet to occur and might never happen. It's a lot like how in a dream, we never stop to think, does this make sense? We just go along with it. Take the words of American writer Raymond Chandler, who once wrote, "I have never looked back at the past, although I have had many difficult periods while waiting for the future." Chandler's approach is profound. Like a bad dream, dwelling obsessively on what might go wrong in the future serves no purpose other than to torment us in the present. Thomas Jefferson, one of the founding fathers of the United States, had a similar insight. He joked in a letter to John Adams, "How much pain have cost us the evils which have never happened?" We often torture ourselves with imagined problems and scenarios. We project, we worry, we stress over things that may never come to pass. This is the essence of living in those bad dreams while we're awake. But it's Seneca, another Stoic philosopher, who perhaps articulates this idea most powerfully. Let the thing you dread most certainly happen. It is even more certain that the thing you expect with fear will calm. Here, Seneca highlights that our fears are often exacerbated by our anticipation of them. When we face our fears head-on, they frequently dissolve or are not nearly as devastating as we imagined. So how do we wake up from these bad dreams when we're awake? The key lies in building awareness and practicing mindfulness. Start by recognizing when your thoughts spiral into a dreamlike state of panic or irrationality. Pause, breathe, and ask yourself, is this scenario I'm envisioning actually real? Is there concrete evidence for this fear, or is it a product of my imagination? Another powerful tool is reframing your thoughts. Instead of fixating on what could go wrong, consider what could go right. Or think about what you might learn from a challenging situation if it were to actually happen. This helps shift your perspective from one of fear to one of growth and opportunity. In essence, to live in a state of constant fear and worry is to perpetuate bad dreams. It's allowing the imaginary to provoke real reactions and consequences. But you have the power to wake up. By anchoring yourself in reality, questioning your fears, and adopting a resilient mindset, you break free from these dreams and return to the present moment where you can respond with clarity and calm. So remember Marcus Aurelius's words, sober up and call out to yourself. Recognize those moments of unnecessary distress as the bad dreams they are, and wake up to a tranquil, composed mind. It's all about mastering our inner life to deal gracefully with the outer world. Thank you for watching, and if you found this video helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more Stoic insights and practical tips. Together, we'll continue to harness the wisdom of Stoicism to lead more resilient and fulfilling lives. Stay strong, stay present, and see you next time.